Hello guys, you're welcome once again to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a travel booking website. Alright, just like what you are seeing on your screen, this is a perfect example of a travel booking website. You can see different islands you can visit, how to set up the payment, how to set up the amount, and the different location you would like to have in your travel booking. Okay, this particular website is done with WordPress, and I tell you, it has all the functionality that you need to make it robust. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming to our channel, do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you can get quality update on our video. All right, without wasting much time, I will take you through the process on how we can arrive at this result. Okay, so what you need to do is to have a cPanel, just like what you are seeing on your screen. You need to have a cPanel. So once you do that, come over to WordPress. All right, come over to WordPress. This is WordPress. Okay, this is WordPress. Then click on install now. Just use this as a location. All right, so just put in my information. Okay. Oh, sorry, just copy this from here. All right, so just come over there and click on install. So this is the first process of getting the job done. So once you install your WordPress, the next thing is for us to import the template we'll be using. Okay, this is it here. All right, I'll click on this. Okay, now come over to plugin. Can you see it here? Plugin. Click on add new. Before you begin, make sure you always install this classic editor. Install now. All right, activate. Okay, once that is done, come back to add new plugin, then search for all-in-one, all-in-one WP. Okay, you can see it here. This is the particular one we are using, all-in-one WP migration. Install now and activate. All right, so once we are done here, this one we just installed is the free version, so we need to install the pro version. So I'll click on add new again, click on upload, click on choose file. All right, you can see it here. This is the pro version, all in one. So I'll just add it, select, open, and install. Okay, so once this is done, you can see it's very fast. Activate. Okay, once this is done, the next thing is for you to come to all-in-one here. Can you see it here? All-in-one WP migration. Click on import. All right, click on import file. Then I'll come to my download. This is my download here. This is the file. I'll click on it. I'll click on open. So once I do that, I will have to wait for it to load up. So the moment this is done, we can now begin the customizing. All right, so hope you are getting value from it. If you have any question, do well to drop your comment. All right, and give this video a thumb up. Okay, so just pause this video. Once it is done, we can finish up. All right. All right, so as you can see, the file have been uploaded successfully. So all you need to do is to click on proceed. All right, click on proceed. You can see it's retrieving a list of all WordPress files. All right, so all this process we are taking is for us to import the template we are using. Okay, so the template covers the travel booking, how to book and make payments online, and how to fix the necessary place you want to go for in your travel. So just wait for all this file to just retrieve so can begin the installation. All right, so your site has been imported successfully. So once you are done here, all you need to do is to click on finish, then come to your dashboard. All right, come to your dashboard, which is what you are seeing here. So it's asking me to log in again. So all I will do is to come to my file, or just click on this. All right, so it will just load me back to the back end. Can you see everything we have now? All right, so now let's see the front end of the site. So this is the front end. All right, can you see it? Can you see? It's very, very easy. All right, the menu is there. All right, so everything, these are the different allowed bookings. All right, so now let me just walk you through this site. So all you need to do, this is for you to edit. For you to edit, if you come to appearance, where is it? Appearance, you come to customize. All right, this is it here. Okay, you can see site identity. All right, you can change your site. Instead of having it WordPress blog, I can say Travis. Okay, I can say Tival Tour. Sorry, Tour. All right, so I'll just change it. Best location detector. You can just use that. Whatever thing you want to use, you can do that. Then you can put your favicon. Favicon is a small logo. Let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. If you go to Google now, all right. If you go to Google, got it. So this icon here is called favicon. This emoji is called favicon. So you can also embed that on your own via this place. So you click on publish, right? So publish. Then I'll come back here as it still loading. Come to your dashboard again. So I will show you all the process you need to do, how to set up your payment, how to edit your element, edit the content, edit the various what will I call it now? Various destination. Yes, various destination. Okay, so now if you come to divide template, you can see that now. Let me open in a new tab. This is the template. Now this is the booking, and this is the booking. Say book everything, location, payment. You can see the payment here via the WooCommerce. Now let me show you. Let's talk about the booking. You can see all booking. So this is the divide. To edit the header, right? Where is the part I showed you earlier on? Now let me open it in a new tab again. All right. Okay, this is the booking. I will edit this. Okay, now this is the side. To edit this logo, to change the logo, to change this text here, to change this phone number and all the social icon. If you come to this TV template, you will see the header, you see transparent header. All you need to do is to click on this icon. You can see this icon here, which is edit. All right, you click on it. It will load the Elementor part where you can just edit that aspect, the header. While for the footer aspect, just also click on this. You edit the footer. All right, you edit the footer. Oh, that's loading. Okay, all right. So that is for that. Then coming back to the booking, can you see now Brooklyn Christmas Light Tour? If you click on edit now, all right. So this is coming up now. Okay, let me see. All right. So now the booking we're talking about for this particular one we are saying here, this Brooklyn Christmas Light Tour, you can put your content here. All right, available from the date you will be available. You pick it there. This is the picture of the island. All right, then if you have a video of the particular island, you can input it here. All right, if you have other image, you also insert there. You can see that. Then this is the time schedule. Okay, this is, you put the price there. This is the price. All right, so now I will show you how you can set up a payment. Okay, I will show you where you can set up a payment, but you just need to fill all this content the same way you are seeing it here. What are the things available on the island? The amenities, you can see the amenities here, location, all the things you need to include in the aspect of your booking. Just fix them in this aspect here. All right, so just include all the things available in a particular location you are you are going to, that is for the book. You can see the amenities here. If you click on these amenities, that's where you add it. Right, so look at what amenities do you have. Right, any amenities you want to add. Right, you can say Wi-Fi, for example. You can say Wi-Fi, copy that, paste it here. Alright, so if you have the icon or any image you want to do, right, so it's very easy for you to edit. It's very easy. Like I always say, most of those things you already have the template here. You already have the template, so it's for you to work with the template that is here, edit it to your own style. Okay, so that is for that. Now this is the footer of this particular site. You can see the footer here. Let me just walk you down the footer. Alright, can you see the footer here? So this is it. You can see now to edit it is very easy. You can just, any part you want to edit, just click on it. You can see it to show up here. You edit the content. If you want to also edit this, you do the same thing. Right, do the same thing. It's very easy to edit. Right, your text here, you put it there. Okay, so once you are done, update. Once you are done, you can update here. Right, so with that, you also go back again. If you want to edit the header like I was trying to do earlier. Okay, this is the footer. Let me talk about the header, where you can change the logo, change the menu color, change the phone number and the email. Right, you can do all of that. Can you see it now? If I want to change this logo, just click on it, create your logo and upload. Right, I think I have a logo. Let me see. If I come to my pictures, so I have, okay, let me see. Okay, let me use this, upload. Right, so I will insert. Okay, can you see, and automatically it will change. Now this part, you have this email, click on it. You can see the email here, click on it. You can see the, remove this. I'll paste this now, for example. All right, paste this, copy, come over here, paste. Can you see it has changed? If you have the phone number, this is the phone number. You can remove that. All right, you can see the phone number there. Once you are done, always update. Now coming to this part where you have the social icon, click on it too. You can see all the social icon, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. So click on it, copy your Twitter link and paste it there. Right, paste it there. If you don't have, just put this hash. If Facebook, copy the link also. If you don't have, Control A, put this there. Right, Instagram, the same thing, copy your link of your Instagram. Right, put it there. Okay, so once you are done, you save. The settings you are doing here the changes you are doing here will automatically take effect in all of the other aspects. So now let's say for instance I want to change the background color. Just click on this 6 dots here, click on it, then come to style. You will see background here, click on background. If you want to change the color is white, I want to change it to red. Can you see it now? I want to change to other color. You can come over to this part here. Can you see it? It's very easy. That's the color I want to use. For example, you can edit. Now this part that shows become a local guide. If you click on it too, you can copy the link. Maybe you have your own social link. You can put it there so that when they click on become a local guide, automatically you receive a notification. Then you fix it to the person. You can put it there. All right, put the hash, update. Now the color is showing red. If you want to change the color background, come over to this style. You can see the color there. Maybe I want to change it to, which color will I use now? All right, can you see it? It's very easy. As you are editing, it's taking effect. Okay, this is for the header. Now let's go over. Remember how I got here is from the Tivile template. That's how I got to this part. All right, good. Now let's come over to theme setting. On the theme settings, you have other options. You have the general option, the header option, the footer option, and other settings you would like to do. Okay, now let's edit the home page before I talk about the payment gateway. Right, to edit the home page, if you come over to the home page, which is what is loading. Okay, so the moment you come to the home page, just click on edit with Elementor, which is what you are seeing here. Click on edit with Elementor. You can edit each of these menu item you are seeing here, the home about us, you are editing them with Elementor, right? So is what is why this one is loading up. Let me come back to the WooCommerce. So this is the WooCommerce that enable the payment gateway, right? So if you come to WooCommerce, you come to settings. Okay, come to settings. So the first thing is put your address, right? Put your address, put your city, put your zip code. Okay, those things are very necessary. Then your currency, if you are using dollar, leave it at dollar. If you are using any other currency, you can select. There are so many other currency options. Okay, so once you are done, make sure you scroll down and save changes. Okay, the next thing is the payment, which I'm talking about. Click on the payment. So how do you want to collect your payment? These are the options available. You can create more. If you want to use crypto, I will show you how to fix the crypto. You have the PayPal, you have the Stripe. So all you need to do is to come to the plugin. So you can see what it says now. Discover recommended payment provider. If you click on this now, they will show you other payment provider. But let me go to plugin and show you. If you come to plugin, you see add new plugin. All right, then if you want to use Stripe, you can just type Stripe WooCommerce. You see the Stripe WooCommerce. Can you see now payment plugin for Stripe WooCommerce? Sorry, use this particular one, WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. Use this particular one. You can see take credit payment on your store using Stripe. So this particular one will enable. I will click on the store. All right. This is for both international clients and whoever you want to pay to. All right. So if you want to use PayPal, also come to this part here. Just remove this Stripe. Type PayPal. Type PayPal. Can you see it here? Where is it? There is a particular one to use here. This is it. WooCommerce PayPal payment. So this is the one to use. You can see the by WooCommerce. All right, this is the one to use. Also install and activate. The thing is, before you can use PayPal, make sure you have a PayPal account. Also, if you want to use Stripe, make sure you have a Stripe account. All right, created for you outside Nigeria or anywhere. Make sure you have those two things ready before you can integrate it. Okay, so those are the two options now. Let me activate it. Since I've done this now, let me go to WooCommerce again. Let me come to WooCommerce again and come to settings. All right, come to payment. Come to payment. All right, so this is it. You can see the paper. Okay, this is the paper. All right, so now still on the WooCommerce, you can see it here. We have fixed the, let me go to WooCommerce and go to settings. Okay, this is the WooCommerce. This is the payment. All right, like I told you before, on this part, just put the address, put the city, just fill the necessary information, also with the currency you are using. So if you come to this part here, you can see the payment. So if you click on payment, all right, if you click on payment, you will see the paper. So if you want to add Stripe, just go to plugin. You can see the plugin here, click on add new, right? So come to plugin, click on add new, then search for Stripe WooCommerce. Stripe WooCommerce. All right, so this is it here. Still loading. All right, this is this particular one. Okay, it's already installed, so I'll just activate. So for you, you will see it here, install now and activate. So this is Stripe WooCommerce. So the moment I activate, I go back to my WooCommerce and click on settings. All right, so I come to payment again. If I come to payment here, you will see it here. All right, you will see it here. It's still loading. Good. You can see the Stripe here. You can see the Stripe, different Stripe that you have. So if you want to connect with Stripe, this is how you connect your site with Stripe. All right, so now from this other part, if you go to the home page now, let's go to the home page. Okay, this is the home page. Right now, to edit this content you have here, maybe you want to fix your content, so just click on edit with Elementor. Right, click on edit with Elementor. Okay, perfect. So this is the edit with Elementor. Right, this is what you get. So once you do that, you can see all these images is something you can edit. If you click on this now, for example, if I click on this, where is it here? Okay, good. If you click on it now, can you see the image? This is the image here. If you click on this too, this is the image. All right. So you can edit the write-up. The write-up you are seeing here, you see wildlife, United Kingdom. This is it here. The home page, which is what you are seeing here. All right. Once you click on, let me go back here. The moment you come over to your site, all right, you come to your site. This is the site, just like what you are seeing now. Okay, this is the site. I will also show you how you can change the slider revolution. Now, looking at this site, you need to click on Edit with Elementor. For you to edit each of these pages, you need to click on Edit with Elementor. Just click on Edit Elementor and you have something like this. Okay, so you can edit each of these pages, each of this content rather, each of this content you can edit them. This button, you can edit the button too. You can edit. So if, for example, I want to edit this particular one, I will just click on it. If I click on it, you see it appear on your left hand side, which is what you are seeing here. All right, the major thing you have to look at in the aspect of travel booking is to make sure you set up your payment very well and look at the very location you are putting your travel to. All right, look at this particular one. You can see Brooklyn Christmas Light Tour. Look at the location, Central Park West, New York, USA. So if you are setting up your booking website, look at the location you want to put and attach your fee. That was why I told you earlier on about the WooCommerce payment gateway. All right, so this particular payment gateway will allow you to collect payment from your booking website. Okay, now this other part here allows you to place a booking. Okay, different booking you want to do. You can see what we have here now. Look at, let me come over here and repeat, come to all booking. You can see all booking. Now look at the various booking, Brooklyn Christmas Light or Discovery Island, whatever thing you have there. So you can see all the content. So like I always advise, it is not good for you to come to a particular site and try to reinvent the wheel. Something has been given to you, just modify it and work with it. Okay, so this particular template is so unique that it allows you to design the different booking website you want. And now look at the amenities here. This is the amenities. Amenity talks about the different things you are going to experience in each of these locations. Okay, so if you have a free Wi-Fi, a good pool, what would I call it now? Different things you know that they can enjoy, a good island, a good place to see. All right, just list them in your amenities and they will be glad to have all these things there. Now you can select your language, you have them, booking location, age, people that are selected to go to a particular island, the age range. All right, so you can have it there. You can have a booking for senior people, people that are old. You can have for the young ones, you can have for the teenagers. There are some places that doesn't allow you to bring in children, so you can have it in your booking website. Okay, you fix that and you also fix your payment gateway. All right, the last part we will talk about in this video is how to fix the slider revolution. Like I told you, once you come over to this place, you will see it here. So click on it, just close this, no thanks. Okay, so you can see it here. This is slider revolution. So for you to change the image, just click on it. Can you see it here? These are the image showing. So if you want to change the text, double click on it, you will see the text showing here. So if you want to change the write up, you can also do the same to double click. Then the image, come to this image part here and you will see media library. Click on media library, you will be able to change the image. So once you are done, you save. Right? Once you are done, you save. Automatically it will take effect here. It will take effect here. You don't need to come over to this place and look for a way to paste it. Whatever thing you do here and you save, automatically it will take effect on this side. All right, so that is you who are interested in getting access to this particular template. There is a link on the description of this video. Once you tap on it, you'll be given access to this particular template for a specific amount of money. All right, so once you do that, you'll be given access to it. All right, so now for those of you who have been following us and be getting access to all of these our training, all right, and for the new ones who are coming, if you have not subscribed, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, hope you enjoy this particular video that we have done so far on how we can design a full-fledged travel booking website. Okay, just give this video a thumb up, and if you have any question and you have any challenge regarding this particular video that I've done so far, kindly use the comment section and we will respond to all of them. All right, thank you guys for staying to the end of this video.